Imagine a world where the financial system is a ticking time bomb and most people don't even notice it. A few extraordinary outsiders, however, saw the warning signs long before the collapse. In The Big Short, Inside the Doomsday Machine, Michael Lewis takes us inside the minds of the visionaries who predicted the 2008 financial crisis and dared to bet against the system. This isn't just a story about money, it's about human greed, blind trust, and the power of seeing the truth when everyone else is ignoring it. The book follows a handful of investors who noticed the cracks in the US housing market long before the collapse. People like Michael Burry, a brilliant but socially awkward hedge fund manager, realized that mortgage-backed securities were built on fragile loans that were bound to fail. Steve Eisman, a blunt and fearless investor, saw how banks were profiting from bad bets while the average person remained unaware of the looming disaster. Lewis masterfully explains complex financial instruments like collateralized debt obligations, CDOs, and credit default swaps, CDSs, in a way that's accessible even if you've never studied finance. Through their stories, we witness not just the mechanics of the crisis, but the human behaviors, greed, denial, and arrogance that allowed it to spiral out of control. What makes The Big Short so gripping is its storytelling. Lewis turns the opaque, intimidating world of Wall Street into a suspenseful narrative, almost like a thriller. By the time the housing market crashes, you feel the tension as if you're watching a high-stakes game unfold, and the consequences are real. Millions of people lose their homes, retirement savings vanish, and the global economy teeters on the edge of collapse. If you want to understand the financial meltdown that shaped the modern economy and learn how a few perceptive minds saw what everyone else missed, this audiobook is a must-listen. Michael Lewis doesn't just tell you what happened, he shows you why it happened and what it reveals about human nature. Dive into The Big Short and uncover the story behind the numbers, the risks, and the rewards.